How to test Shopify checkout. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Shopify account, and after that you would be able to find this option of settings at the bottom of your left hand side panel. Just simply click on it. After that, select the option of payments over here on the left hand side panel, and here if in case you already have a payment provider, then it will be shown over here. In case if you don't have any payment provider as of now, just simply click on this option of choose a provider and wait for it to load. And here you should be able to see this one, the bogus gateway. This is basically for testing, and as soon as you turn it on, you should be able to see a testing gateway on your products. When you try to check out, there will be testing, so make sure that you turn it off after you test it out on your website. So just turn it on by clicking on it and click on this option of activate, and after that it will be activated. But I'm repeating it again that you need to deactivate it after you test it out on your checkout page. So after you activate it, just go there and do the transaction on your checkout page. If everything works out quite fine, then after that just deactivate it. Sometimes the problem is that we are not able to find the testing debit card or credit card. For that, you should be able to see this one, this number, and in order to get this one, you just have to search for Shopify order testing on Google and open up the second link, which is testing Shopify payments, and this will take you over here. Now after that, scroll down, and here you should be able to find test credit card number. Simply put these card numbers in your Shopify checkout, and also put a fake number and expiry date which is quite far from present date. This way you should be able to test out your checkout page and checkout methods, and this is how you do it. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.